Good morning, guys. I thought I'd do this video. I'm really struggling with this SR50 that I purchased for my son. It's a 2011. It's a carburetor model, and all I keep getting is a 007 fault. I'll see if I can plug it in to show you. I'll just put the fuse in. This is how I've been isolating it. You don't actually need the ignition on at all for this, so as soon as I put the power on, as you can see, yep, and there you go, ignition on, and then it immediately turns itself off. Okay, so what I found out is I've tried unplugging the regulator under here, and tried kick-starting it. No difference, but if I remove this, doesn't appear to be an aerial for the key. I don't know if someone could tell me whether this needs an aerial, but there's nowhere on the loom to plug an aerial in for the key to send its signal to the clocks. So I don't really know how these things work. I've got another one over there, Ditech one, and that has all the immobilizer on it. Let's try switching it on. That might help. Almost there. There you go. As you can see, as soon as I unplug the clocks, we have ignition. We have everything. I've tried checking the loom to see if an antenna can go anywhere, and there's nowhere for an antenna. The key looks like a chip key, but there's no wire coming from the ignition. So yeah, any help would be appreciated, guys. Thanks very much.